Today we'll be deriving the quadratic formula. Yay! So this is a formula we use a lot, right? And it's to find x whenever we have a form of 0 equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. So let's start with that when we're deriving this. What we can do first is we are going to minus c from both sides. And then we're going to divide everything by a. So all terms by a. We're left with negative c over a equals to x squared plus b over ax. Now, we are going to complete the square. So remember how we do that is we're going to take the linear term here, b over a. We're going to divide that by 2 and then square it. And then we're going to add this to both sides. So this is equal to b squared over 4a squared, right? And we're going to add that to both sides. Plus b over ax, add this, b squared over 4 squared, b squared over 4 squared minus c over a. Nice. And then let's factor this side, the completed square. So that ends up with x plus b over 2a squared. And then on this side, let's put this into one fraction. b squared, and then we're going to multiply c by 4a. Right, we're just combining the two fractions. And then what we can do is we can square root both sides. So this side will end up being x plus b over 2a. And this side will be root b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. And remember when we do this, it can be plus or minus, right? Because we are taking the square root. And then, plus or minus, let's split up this square root. Now we can see this is actually 2a squared square root, right? So that means that we can just simplify this to 2a. And it's looking very, very similar to our quadratic formula now. So we are almost there. All that's left to do is to move this to the other side. So let's do b over 2a plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And we can see that we can actually combine these fractions because they have the same denominator. So let's do that. And then this negative sign we can move up here. And there you have it. You got your quadratic formula. So remember, let's match it up to the front and yeah, looks the same, right? So that's where your quadratic formula comes from. Hope that was interesting and hope to see you next time. Thank you.